Welcome to Easy Learn Funny Learn, Class 4 Social Science, Concept of a Timeline Part 2. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. My dear friends, please pause the video and try to answer all the questions and play the video to see the answer. My dear friends, can we start? Fill in the blanks with the correct answer.
The time before the birth of Christ is known as dash or dash. It is also called dash.
The time before the birth of Christ is known as BC or before Christ. It is also known as before Common Era or BCE.
The order of putting events into sequence is dash.
The order of putting events into sequence is timeline.
The calendar that you and I use is dash.
The calendar that you and I use is Gregorian calendar.
Gregorian calendar was introduced in dash by dash.
Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582.
In the Gregorian calendar, years are counted from the dash in dash.
In the Gregorian calendar, the years are counted from the birth of Jesus Christ in 1 CE.
Lord Buddha was born dash years before the birth of Jesus Christ.
Lord Buddha was born 483 years before the birth of Jesus Christ.
Akbar became the Mughal emperor in dash.
Akbar became the Mughal emperor in 1556 CE.
The dash is a vast period of time.
The history is a vast period of time.
The letters dash and dash before or after dates are found when we read a history book.
The letters BC and AD are before or after dates are found when we read a history book.
Dash have divided the vast period of time in history into dash major segments or periods.
Historians have divided the vast period of time in history into three major segments or periods.
The dash period is relating to the very distant past.
The ancient period is relating to the very distant past.
The dash period is relating to the middle period.
The medieval period is relating to the middle period.
The dash period is relating to the present or recent time.
The modern period is relating to the present or recent time.
The year 2020 belongs to dash century.
The year 2020 belongs to the 21st century.
The year of your birth belongs to which century?
The year of my birth belongs to 21st century.
The year 1349 belongs to dash century.
The year 1349 belongs to the 14th century.
The year 483 belongs to dash century.
The year 483 belongs to 5th century.
The period of history that begins with the traditional date of Jesus Christ's birth is called dash.
The period of history that begins with the traditional date of Jesus Christ's birth is called Christian era.
The way of putting things together is dash.
The way of putting things together is arrangements.
The information kept about something that has happened is dash.
The information kept about something has happened is recorded. Please watch my next video for ancient civilizations of the world. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.